Hello everyone, this is divyachelwani. Welcome to my channel Blissful Stories, where I share insights of the books in less than 5 minutes. So if you don't have hours to read books, consider watching my videos. In this video, I will share 2 steps with you of editing sprint, which is recommended by Chris Fox in his book 5000 words per hour. Along with that, I will share one free and one low budget editing site with you. Also, if you wanted to know how to write fast with an easy steps, consider watching my video how to write 5000 words per hour. Now, if you have already watched it, then let's get started with the editing sprint. But remember, before you start editing sprint, complete your writing sprint. It is a very important point. Because once you start editing sprint, you will wear an editing hat on your head. Your mindset will change into a different one. Remember CJ Cherry's quote while you editing. It is perfectly okay to write garbage as long as you edit brilliantly. So complete your writing sprint. Even if you feel that it is an utterly cramped, still write it and complete it. Now let's jump into the steps. Step 1, content editing. Now how does it work? During your writing sprint, you must have added notes to your manual script. Scrivener and Microsoft Word are very easy to add notes. If you don't know how to add notes, let me know. I will make shorts for you. Now back to the content editing steps. Now you have to go back and read through the chapters. The goal of this step is to fix problem and figure out what scene should have been appeared in. Refer your notes of the change and the new scenes. Also, don't forget to track your word count. Even if you are editing, still tracking is important for improvement. Step 2, the proofreading. This is the final pass after you send your manual script to the alpha readers. Now, after adding new content, you have to go back and read the chapters again. In this process, you have to allow yourself only to correct grammar and spelling mistakes, unless you come across a massive problem which you somehow miss in the content editing. Now, don't forget to track your word count in this process also. And this process is same as reading a book. Now, there is a small tip from my side. It is not recommended in the book. It is from my personal experience. Take at least 2 days off before you start each editing sprint step. Through this process, you will be able to edit more efficiently. Try it. If you have problem with editing, as English is not your first language, then I will recommend QLboard.com. It is a free website where you get your content edited in just few seconds. But it has disadvantage. It set a limit up to 700 characters. So it becomes time consuming for you to paste every small content and get it edited. Still it's free, but if you have small budget, then I will recommend Fiverr, where you get good editor within your budget. The link of both the website is in the description. Hope this will help you. If you follow 5 steps of writing sprint and 2 steps of editing sprint, then you can surely publish a book in less than 2-month period. You can also read this book 5000 words per hour to know all these steps in detail. It is a very short book. It took me only 1 hour to read it. Link is in the description. Give it a try. Do let me know if you have any doubt and questions in the comment below. I will try my best to solve it. But wait, if you are feeling fear to start writing, then let me tell you, it is a good sign. How? Watch my video How to Beat Our Universal Enemy. You will get your answer. Lastly, if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing it. Like this video and share it with your friends if you found it valuable.